So after cooking our Nsala soup, we allow it to cool down. We are going to dish it out according to how we are going to enjoy the Nsala. Yes. Let me know the type of soup you like. Do you like Nsala soup? Do you like egusi soup? Or do you like ogbono soup? I tried Nsala soup today and I am loving it. It looks so yummy. So yummy. I used Tozo towel. Afwan. Yeah, I use stockfish, I use meat, I use mackerel, I use assorted stockfish, just name it. Just dish it out according to how to eat. Then you are good to go. Remember, you have assorted soup in your freezer, so you have to name it so you will know the one you are choosing to eat whenever the time comes. Okay, hope this will accommodate all my Nsala soup. I like light Nsala soup. Let's see how it looks, so yummy and so light. This is okay. This is also okay. This meal, the food. I still have this. I still have soup here, but I have to look for another thing and put it. So I really cook today a very big pot of soup. So you go ahead now to cover. And cover and cover. Okay, we're going to be writing the name of this Nsala. I'll look for the cover for this. This will stay first of all out. I have to write the names right away on these ones. What is the name you call it in your dialect? We call it Nsala. Nsala soup. Nsala. Nsala. So you are good to go. Bye.